so I am on my way to the store to pick up some items. Guess what I'm making? Okay, you can't really guess because I haven't told you. Oh, dang. I am going to make some shrimp cakes. Yes, they're really, really yummy. Y'all excuse my boxes, shopping boxes. Keith hasn't put them up yet because I need to try on some stuff first. Anywho, so it is cooking with D. So we are gonna make these shrimp cakes. They are so yummy, you guys. So this is a travel to the store with me, pick up some odds and ends. Y'all know how I do. And yeah, so come on, let's go. You guys, so pretty much what this is just shrimp that I deveined because I'm annoyed it wasn't already deveined, but that's neither here nor there. And I chopped them up a little bit, and we're gonna add bell peppers, green onions, and Vidalia onions that I already pre-cooked. Okay, so I went ahead and seasoned it with the Creole seasoning, accent, seasoning salt, and black pepper. You can season this however you would typically like to season your shrimp. So we're going to go ahead and add some sprinkles of Parmesan. I did a little bit of a generous amount here. Alright, so I went ahead and added 1 egg. Adding my mayo. What it looks like. I'll start this together as well. Alright, so we're just going to take a spoonful and make a little drop inside our pan, and I'll be right back. So I didn't have enough panko chips, so I needed to add a little bit of flour to it so it could stick better. So I went ahead and put one of them, and I'm going to go ahead and put the other two. I'm probably going to cook for a little over 2 minutes. If that, depending on how hot the grease is when you actually put it in. So pretty much eyeball it until you can see here around the sides, and it got a nice little brown